Hi, I'm Evi Dimitriadou, a certified yoga therapist by the International Association of Yoga Therapists, a graduate physiotherapist from Manchester University, and I'm currently doing a master's degree of psychology and neuroscience of mental health at King's College, London. In addition to running a yoga therapy clinic, I'm the program director of Yoga Therapy Greece, where we educate about yoga therapy. In this short video, I would like to share with you what we do for people who are facing depression. Depression is the worldwide leading cause of disability, and a correct diagnosis is a prerequisite for the early and correct treatment of this mood disorder, the most prevalent of all the mental conditions. Depression is not only affecting the mood, the energy levels, the sleep, the memory, the ability to focus, to see clearly and make better choices, but also increases the perception of pain and decreases the immunity in the long term. Depression in terms of body posture is usually expressed by fallen shoulders and slumped posture, and in terms of breathing pattern is seen by short inhalation and minimum movement of the chest, or by long pause of exhalation. Depression can coexist with more complicated feelings of guilt, shame, anger, hopelessness, helplessness, and suicidal ideation, as well as eating disorders and chronic health conditions. Depression can be felt for many good reasons, but also for reasons that are transitory and less important if seen from a broader perspective. I have worked with many people who have been challenged by depression, and we always start with learning that we can affect our mind, our brain, and the way we see a situation. In Yoga Therapy Greece, by building a compassionate therapeutic relationship and believing in the power of people to become the best version of themselves, we motivate and empower people to make the shift they want and gradually move out of depression. We focus on what can be changed, on the emotion that is underneath, and reframe perspective by enhancing appreciation of what we have. Redirect the focus to something positive and awake the passion and the determination by highlighting the ability to connect with whatever nourishes our heart. After learning about the ability to make the shift in our mind, we gain breathing awareness, and we learn how to breathe deeply and in a nourishing way. In this way, we start balancing the nervous system, and we affect the way we perceive different situations. Through a careful breathing, body, and movement assessment, either in person or working online, at Yoga Therapy Greece, we gradually introduce small, gentle, and appropriate to the individual movements, affecting the posture, and by affecting the posture, we also affect the prevailing mood. In addition to learning how to breathe deeply and to lift the spirit by changing the posture, we shift the mind to a more positive state by chanting or repeating personal positive affirmations, something proven and used extensively in corporate environments and for behavioral change. We also do this through short recorded guided relaxations based on each individual. Robust research studies have shown that these guided relaxations have a huge effect on affecting mood disorders and mental health conditions by making space to see things differently. through short personal yoga therapy practices, specifically designed for each person and further developed in every session, the individual is then able to practice safely at home or at the workplace. Through a well-structured yoga therapy sequence, with all the yoga tools modified to the body and the posture, the breath, the energy levels, the thoughts, the beliefs, the expectations, and of course the lifestyle and the symptoms, we have supported many people facing depression. And we're grateful they believed in us and they allowed us to make a difference in their lives. I hope you found this of interest and helpful. Please share it with people who are facing depression so they know something can be done and that they can be understood, valued, and supported. For more information, please visit our website, www.yogatherapygreece.com, our Facebook page, Yoga Therapy in Greece, or our YouTube channel, Yoga Therapy Greece. Thank you very much for your time.